King of the Hammers is widely regarded as one of the most grueling off-road races in motorsports. The terrain changes from the wide-open desert to rock crawling in an instant with no time to adjust. Hammers is often the proving ground for many manufacturers. This year, a few companies seem to have knocked it out of the park.
Super smooth in the desert and then making up rock climbs that you're like, there's no reason an IFS Bronco should be making it up this, and it just goes right up. They're incredible machines.
There's so much that goes into being able to run fast here, but also keep the truck alive. In this case, we're actually running a stock engine and a stock transmission on the truck. And we're lucky to have a good base platform like the Bronco that we don't have to worry about that, and we have a competitive powertrain right off the bat.
The Bronco ended up sweeping the podium in the 4600 class to solidify itself as an amazing platform. Of course, Ford Performance acknowledges its partners in this endeavor. One of Ford's partners caught our attention because amongst the drivers that Tima spoke to, one theme kept repeating itself: the suspension.
Fox with their live valve technology, they're taking the shock game to the next level, and a smooth car is a fast car.
New suspension these trucks run, some of them are fully electronic, and it's just mind-blowing what the capabilities of these new Fox live valve and stuff are. I've got to play with it a little, and I think it's going to absolutely change the game, because you can adjust and tune suspension on the fly, and you really never would have even dreamed of being able to do that in the past. In the past, it was always you started with a car and that's what you got, and hopefully it worked, and now you have the ability to tune on the fly.
What these guys are running is semi-active shocks. The shocks have electronics in them that can actually react to the terrain that they're running on. This is the Live Valve X2 platform, and what it is you've got two solenoid controllers here that actually control compression and rebound. So as this shock is moving up and down, you're forcing oil into the reservoir and back again. And we're able to control that through some solenoids opening and closing.
And we've had some really good partners in our team members at Ford Performance and doing suspension work, Fox shocks with the dampers, just everything all the way through the build, advanced adapters, just to create this thing that we're able to go out and race it. And we just get a great platform to start with. And we've created all these parts that people can now go out and buy. So all these parts that are available on this truck, you can actually go to the suppliers that we've worked with and actually go get them for your Bronco if you wanted to build one of these trucks.
We've proven it here. How do we take it to the Bronco Raptor that just showed up, right? That has live valve on it. We're just packaging it differently to fit in that vehicle, but it's amazing what it can do. It really is beginning to blur the line between what you can drive off the lot as opposed to what you have to custom build and go